Do you want a tutorial like this? It's not made by me. It's made by PickHubTuber. She is my idol and BT Gamer is copying it. It's from her. Yeah, like that. Just look at that. And I fix some script because you need to fix some script because other script in this admin panel is buggy. I don't think if snap event is is an ano, is working. Just look at this. It's not working. Wait. But the event is working, but it's only server. The global is not working. Just look at that. Wait. Look at that. It's rain. Wait. What happened to my and it's not working. That's everyone. Yeah. So that's why the global. What happened? That's all for today. Peace out. Bye bye.